What was the first thing you remember wanting to be when you grow up? So think back to when you were like 4, 5, maybe 6 years old, when adults would ask, what do you want to be when you grow up? What was your first answer to that question? Think about why did you want to be that thing? And maybe what is it about that thing that's making you smile right now?
Similar to you, I wanted to be an artist. But specifically, I wanted to be a painter. And part of that, I think, came from this. I grew up in a family of artistic people, and I was exposed to so many different things that I loved the idea of taking it in and turning it around, sort of transforming it with my own idea and putting it back out in the world. And painting just felt like a really physical, fun way of doing that. Unfortunately, I had a teacher around that age. I had done something, I don't even really remember what it was. And she came back and she was just like, you didn't follow the instructions. You were supposed to do it this way. And she called me out in a sort of public way. And I was so young and impressionable and humiliated that it put me on a path of trying to hide what made me distinct and different and find a way to fit in. And it was only until years later that I found the joy and freedom of finding the different parts of me that were more authentic and bringing those back out and being comfortable with that.